Hello, everyone, and good afternoon. This is Amanda Wray coming to you with a quick video about guaranteedleads.io. And the reason why I decided to get involved with this opportunity is because I love when I receive information that can help people generate more traffic for their business. Anything that's dealing with traffic that's going to allow you to get more leads, more eyeballs, more people, be able to brand yourself with the traffic that you have coming in is always a plus. And this is definitely an automated home-based business opportunity that's going to allow you to get tons of traffic, targeted leads to your business opportunity. Now, one of the things that I want to let you know that this is for people who are looking for a work from home or online work online business opportunity. Okay. And this is what you're looking at, the sales page. When you join this opportunity, this sales page is going to already be created for you. There's nothing that you need to do. Not only that, once you have this set up, they're going to automatically populate you a link that you can use to start promoting this to the information that you're going to get as far as where to promote your traffic to. So they're going to provide you with different methods, and not only that, different companies that you're going to use to start promoting your link. And for each person that comes into this opportunity, you are going to receive $75 directly to your account. There is no middleman when it comes to this opportunity and promoting this business. This is going to go directly to you, $75. Now, this is an affiliate system and it's a marketing hub. It's going to be designed to connect you to cash flow and to some of the best automated lead and communication solutions available in the industry. So they're going to give you top of the line lead sources that's going to allow you to start getting tons of leads. We all know that the more traffic you receive, the more eyeballs to your opportunity, the more chances you have to actually make a sale. And I've been using tons of traffic over the course of, I want to say, 6 years that has allowed me to make millions of dollars with just generating traffic on an ongoing basis. So here is my Stripe account. This is just one of the accounts that I use to collect payments from different opportunities that I'm currently involved in. And again, most of the opportunities that I am involved in is going to teach people how to generate leads, how to build your email list, and give you the resources and tools that you need in order to be successful. So here I have $7,599 that can be deposited directly to my bank account. And again, this is from using different traffic generation strategies. So here we have targeted leads. You're going to have a connection, whether it's through voicemail, email, or SMS text messaging. And Guaranteed Leads provides you with resources to automate your communication so that you don't have to worry about constantly sending out information on a daily basis. It'll be automated so that when people opt into your capture page, they automatically start receiving messages about your business. They'll get voicemails, emails, or SMS text, depending on how you decide to send them the information. Okay. They also provide you with information on third-party resources that can deliver an endless stream of targeted leads to you. And we know that this is very important. So how can you accept payment? They have Cash App, Venmo, and Zelle. You will be asked to import this information into your back office. This is going to allow you to have that link directly to your website. So then when people click on your link, they are going directly to your Cash App, Venmo, or Zelle so that you can get these endless $75 payments. There is no limit on the amount that you can make. As long as you're going to consistently use the traffic methods that they give to you, using one or two is good enough. You do not have to choose all of them. That's going to allow you to start getting people directly to the link. And you can also promote other opportunities using the traffic lead sources that they give you, which again will be located in your back office. 95% of the work is done for you. You are basically just making sure to add your link so that when your link is populated, you are receiving these $75 commissions. So this is what the page looked like. If you want to go through it again, down below in the description area is the link. for this opportunity. Also, my contact information is also there as well if you need to reach out to me. Once you pay, you will receive everything that you need to get started. So it says, check out how we create leverage for you with our compensation plan. They have here on how it works, and you can watch this again in the description below. The video is available to you. Okay. So this is again an opportunity that I am going to be promoting for this year. I'm excited about this opportunity. I think it's a great way for people to start basically getting their feet wet and building multiple income streams, but not only that, learning different methods and tactics it takes in order to get quality traffic to your business. So you can start today for $125. It's a one-time payment. You do not need to pay again. No, there are no upsells. So once you make your payment, you do not have to worry about going to an upsell. You just make your one-time 125 payment, and then you are all set to go. This is going to allow you again to get $75 in ongoing payouts from the people who join through your link. So you're going to get your targeted leads. They provide access to proven targeted lead generators. These are prospects who raise their hand and ask to receive information. You will never have a shortage of prospects learning more about your business and the opportunities it offers. They have SMS text automation. We know that people are always on the phone. 97% of text messages are read. People go to their phone all the time, surfing the net. They're on social media, so they're going to see your information. So you have a fully automated texting system that contacts and follow up with your targeted leads for you. At the same time, the system identifies your hot prospects. They have the email marketing as well. You will have access to a variety of options, including but not limited to bulk email, follow-up email, and video email. And then you have lead marketing, which is access to offline marketing materials. If you decide that you want to do this offline as well, that's also available to you. So you can click here, create your free account. And what I'll be doing tomorrow is going over another video that's going to just go over the frequently asked questions and things that you may think of or want to know about as you get more involved in this opportunity. So I want to say thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.